Oh, it's beautiful outside today. It's really sunny, and I decided to do a little unboxing. I actually received some sportwear from GLOWMODE official, and they have like one-piece styles which I really wanted to try for the gym. So as the summer is coming, spring, summer, so let's see what I have chosen. I'm starting with the first one, just to show you the packaging again. Absolutely really cool and gorgeous. So this is how it comes. Yeah, let's see what I've got. Okay, now this one this one is one piece. Let me show you. Oh wow, here we go. It's one piece. And it has the same material like the one I'm wearing right now. So it's basically padded on the back. Let me show you. So here, padded, really nice, really soft. And it's actually have underline as well. So it keeps you firm, keeps you all tied in. So you're not gonna look floppy. At the end of the day, I mean, that's how we worry about it. And when we go to the gym, you feel like, oh, my bum, my thighs, my stomach, it's gonna. Okay, so I put it on. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay, one piece. I really like it. Oh, sorry, my stomach has been bloated all day. Like literally, it's horrible. But yeah, it's actually keeping you really fit. It's really soft. I just love it. Yes. Let me know what you think. The next one is lily color. I'm gonna show you. So again, a little unboxing, and it's completely the same, but it's actually a little bit light purple color. As you can see, I just decided to get it from different colors, and I was hoping they're gonna be really nice, and they are indeed. So yeah, that's another one. You can go and check them out. They have different colors. The only things I will probably think it's gonna be nice if you get ruched here on the back, so your bum look like lifted a little bit, but that's another thing. I'm not a designer, so but this is my recommendation. One more, and this is my daughter's favorite color, which is blue. Here we go. I wanted to show you, but this one, it's actually a bodysuit. So here we go. It's a little bit different. As you can see, same material, so you have a padded, like a bra on the back as well. And this one here, you have like a clicks here, as you can see. Yeah, if you want to check them out, it's really nice material. So yeah, completely different. And the last one, which is black, but it's really nice. Actually, it's a little bit different design. Because the straps are a little bit thicker actually, but again, probably black is going to be the most wear one. Let me know your favorite.